Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 9 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's localize the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode, and if you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial. So now let's come back to this left section and tap on System and Updates and enter developer options. And here all we have to do is to find the option which is called Automatic System Updates. Simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.